so today I have December Ipsy unboxing to show you guys, and look how freaking cute this month's bag is. It's sequins, it's gold, it's everything we want going into the new year. It's so pretty, and honestly, I'm saving this bag and using it as a clutch. Okay, so basically Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. You get 4 to 5 samples for $10 every month. You have a beauty profile that you fill out. They send you personalized samples. I don't really believe that at all. But I mean, you still get, sometimes you get really amazing products. Other times it's okay. So let's see if December is going to be an amazing product month or an okay product month. So the first thing that I am pulling out is this fun lip product. Okay, so it's got like, this kind of reminds me of like a cupcake because it's like the pink, and then it's got like the drips that are like a silver metallic, and then all right here is like a cupcake liner kind of like packaging with the stripes. So this is the Beauty Crop Lip Brulee High Shine Lip Cream. This isn't a bright red. It looks like it's showing up like bright red on the camera, but it's kind of looking more like a fuchsia color. It's very pretty. It says a high shine lip cream, and I would second that. Like, that's very, very shiny. But I got a freaking, like, a full-size lip product in my bag, which I am so pumped about. Like, yeah, I never get anything full-size to my Ipsies. I'm gonna assume this is full-size, because even if they're like, no, there's actually a bigger product, sis, this is literally like a full-size lip product. Like, I mean, like, oh, it's absolutely amazing. Plus, I love the color, and I love that it's a high shine lip cream. The next thing that I am pulling out is from Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Heavy Cream Totally to Die For Intensely Smoothing Balm Body Butter, Rich Vanilla Shea Butter. Okay. Oh my god, it smells like birthday cake. Oh my gosh, it's so fun considering the packaging is like cake. Oh my gosh, but that literally smells, that smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I like wouldn't ever be one to be like, yes, send me a body butter. I totally need that in my life. But yes, this feels so nice. And it smells so good. It's got that like sickeningly sweet birthday cake scent. The next thing that I received is an eyeshadow brush. I love getting brushes in my bags from Ipsy. Ipsy is like the only monthly box that I get that sends eyeshadow brushes out on a consistent basis. This is from Farrah, but basically the ferrule and the brush holder is a, like, it's just gold. It's a metallic gold, but I love how narrow this part is. Like, you've got fingerprint holder and it's very like narrow, but that feels so comfortable. Like, I don't want to like mess up the brush, but that feels like really comfortable to hold. The next thing that I am pulling out is from Stowaway Effortless Eyeliner in shade Spice. I hope it's gray. Colored eyeliners are something that I literally never get, and I would love to see instead of receiving so many like liquid eyeliner. So the packaging is this like sleek gray, and it says Stowaway. I didn't know why I said it like that. I was like, Stowaway? That was kind of annoying. But this is a pencil for your waterline, and it's a brown. So honestly, that's very different than black, but I have to admit, I'm having to like sit here and really rub it on my hand to get any color out of it. Like, look, one swatch and I didn't really get anything. I'll put it in the back of my wrist because I did put the lotion there. Oh, okay. That's a little bit better. It's not that intense brown color. Like, I like intense colors on my waterline. A waterline color is literally not something that I never ever get in any subscription box ever. Like, ever. So way to go, Ipsy, for sending me like waterline eyeliner instead of liquid liner. Next thing that I'm pulling out is from Catherine Natural Cosmetics. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Also, the packaging for this deserves a round of applause. I love the soft pink on there, but oh my gosh, it's a highlighter. Siena's highlighter. And then it says, spread the love. Highlighters, something else I never get in any other subscription box except Ipsy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's literally blinding. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh, please cover me in this. This is so pretty. And I still have so much left on my finger. Like, oh my gosh, this is a brand I need to check out because the packaging is cute, but that's a very reflective highlighter. Freaking going to be my newest obsession. And the last thing that I received is from the Balm Cosmetics, which is a brand I freaking love. This is Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. The packaging for the balm is always so cute, but it says anti-orange bronzer. I got shade Oliver. I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to start trying to do makeup tutorials with all the products from subscription boxes I received. So I'm really hoping that like I'll be able to actually get myself and like my life together and actually start showing you guys what these products look like in application. But this is it's a very soft, very buttery bronzer, but the bronzer and the highlighter literally freaking won this box for me. Like, honestly, I'm really happy with Ipsy this month. But the highlighter, the eyeshadow brush, I don't know, there's really nothing in here that I'm like super disappointed in at all. The body butter was really nice because I love the scent of that. I'm so happy we got 6 products in here. That's amazing, but the highlighter and the bronzer are probably the 2 biggest winners for me. So what was your favorite product in my December Ipsy bag? I can't wait to hear what you guys think in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.